Can you actually make money from affiliate marketing? In this video, I'm going to be talking about how to get started with affiliate marketing and how you can actually make money from it. Hey, what's going on, you guys? Benjamin here with Motivational Marketer, and in this video, I'm going to be explaining how to get started with affiliate marketing and the strategy that you need to have in order to become successful with it. So before I go into this video, I just want to first welcome you guys to my channel. And if this is your first time here and you're interested in learning different methods when it comes to making money online, then I invite you to subscribe and also hit the bell icon so you'll be notified when I upload new videos. Okay, so with that being said, let me just get into the topic of this video. So when it comes to affiliate marketing, there's a few things that you need in order to get started. If you just sign up to any affiliate program and you're just promoting random affiliate products, you're not going to be very successful. You might get a few people here and there to click on the link and buy the product that you're promoting, but that's not a real business strategy. So let me just go over the first thing that you need. So the first one is you need to pick a niche. So this is going to be a certain category that you're going to be focusing on. Now, there's a lot of different niches out there that you can use to make money with affiliate marketing. And I'm going to talk about the three most common ones, which are known as evergreen niches, meaning that they're always going to be profitable. The first one is the relationship niche. This one is always going to be profitable. This one is always going to be profitable because us as human beings, we have a desire to love and be loved. So people are always looking for relationship advice, any kind of coaching program that's going to help us become better at dating or just in relationships in general. The next one is going to be the make money online niche. Make money. Because everybody is always looking to make more money. Some people might be looking for a way to start making money online instead of working at a job that they're just tired of working at. They might not like their coworkers, they might hate their boss, and they're looking for an alternative way that they can make money online, so they won't have to be trading their time for money. And the last evergreen niche is going to be the health niche. So there's always different products, programs that are promoting health products, basically to promote a better health for people. So everybody's always looking to live a healthier lifestyle. So if you're getting started with affiliate marketing, I recommend first looking into these three top niches because these are the most profitable and they're always going to be in demand. Now, when picking a niche, I recommend that you go with one that you're really passionate about. Don't go with just relationship niche if you're not really passionate about it, because you're going to end up quitting because you're going to have to put in a lot of work into creating content around this specific niche. Now, if you're not passionate about any of these three niches, there's different niches out there that are still profitable. Just to give you guys a good example, the tech and gadget niche. There's YouTubers out there with tech and gadget YouTube channels that are always doing reviews about the latest laptops, smartphones, computers. And what they do is they promote those products in their videos as affiliate links in the description of their videos. So let's say that somebody's doing a review about, let's say, the newest Samsung Galaxy phone. They'll do maybe a walkthrough, talk about the pros and cons about that phone, and then they'll have an affiliate link in the description of their videos in case somebody wants to purchase that product. If they click on that link and they buy that product, the person is going to get a commission from that. So I recommend first looking into these three niches. If you're not passionate about them, just do your research and figure out which one you're passionate about and also one that's profitable. Okay, so once you figure out what niche that you want to pick, the next thing that you have to do is you have to figure out an affiliate program to go with. So there's programs that you can sign up for free. Just to give you guys an example, the most common one is Amazon Associates. You can sign up to become an affiliate with Amazon. Nowadays, they require you to have your own website. But it's pretty easy to create your own website nowadays. There's plenty of YouTube tutorials that will show you how to do it. The only downside about using Amazon Associates is that they pay very low commissions. So you would have to make a whole lot of sales in order to make a decent amount of income if you're going to be an affiliate with Amazon. Another free program that you can start with is called ClickBank. Now this one is a little bit better because they pay higher when it comes to commissions. It all depends on the product that you're promoting. So when it comes to ClickBank, there's stats that they have that shows you how popular that product is and how much money you would make every time somebody purchases that product. And they also show you the recurring billing if that product is like something that somebody would have to pay monthly recurring billing for. If that sounds a little bit confusing, I've talked about how to pick a product when it comes to ClickBank in another video, and I'll link that up in the cards up here if you're interested in learning more. Okay, so once you figure out what niche you want to go with in a program, the next thing you have to do is pick a product. So this is probably where a lot of people get stuck because they think you have to have the best product in the world to promote in order to start making money. You don't have to have the best product. You just have to find a product that's going to help somebody. So let's say that you're in the health and fitness niche and you're promoting a product that's going to help somebody gain muscle. You don't have to promote that product to everybody in your niche because not everybody is going to be looking to build muscle. Some people are trying to lose weight. Some people are trying to build muscle. So you would just have to promote that product to your specific audience. The people who are looking for that desired result to build muscle, they're going to resonate with the content or that product that you're promoting to them. So just keep in mind, when it comes to picking a product, you don't have to find the best product out there because there's no such thing as a perfect product. You just have to figure out a problem that your audience is dealing with and find a product that's going to solve that problem. Now the next part is for people who are serious about making money with affiliate marketing, because if you're trying to grow a business and scale that business, you're going to have to invest some money. But if you're just looking for a way to make a few extra dollars here and there, I mean, you can go with just the first 3 steps and then hopefully somebody clicks on your link and purchases your product. But if you want to really make money, you have to invest into an email software service. Now, what that is basically a service that allows you to build up an email list, and you can also usually create a landing page which is going to build your email list for you. So a landing page is basically like a one miracle page website where it's going to have an offer that somebody's going to see. They're going to come to your page and they're going to enter in their email in order to receive like something that you're giving away for free. Maybe it's going to be a free video, a free ebook, maybe like a recipe if you're in the weight loss niche. And they're going to enter in their email and then they're going to click on the button, which is going to take them to that free offer. So once somebody enters in their email, they click on that button, they're going to be now added to your email list. So they're going to be what's called a subscriber on your email list. So once you get enough people on your list, you can just retarget them or just promote your products to them. You can just say, okay, I know you're interested in this product or service that I'm promoting, but here's some valuable content that'll help you out, maybe solve a problem that you're having. So this is why having an email software service is going to help you grow your business, because if you're just promoting a product to somebody who has no idea who you are, there's a good chance that they're not going to buy that product because they don't know you and they don't really trust you. So having an email software service is going to be able to create trust between you and your audience. So let me explain how having an email software service is going to be able to create trust between you and the people on your list. So once somebody comes to your landing page, they enter in their email, now they're on your email list. You're going to send them what's called an autoresponder sequence. So you're going to send them a series of emails that you already have written out, and they're going to be sent out to your audience or your email list on a scheduled basis. So let's say like day 1 email is going to just introduce yourself. You're going to be telling them what you're going to be delivering, maybe emails regarding like tips to losing weight. Day 2 email is going to be something like an exercise that's going to help them lose weight. Day 3 email is going to be maybe some eating habits or recipes to promote weight loss, and you're going to just keep on promoting, you're going to just keep delivering value throughout your emails. Because nowadays, people who see a product online don't usually buy it the first time. It takes multiple exposures before they're ready to make a buying decision. So what you're doing through your autoresponder emails is you're delivering value, and then you're giving people a call to action if you're doing this right. You should be giving a call to action at the end of each one of your emails. All you have to do is just simply say, if you're tired of struggling with weight loss and you're ready to get started with your solution, then click this link to get started. And you should have that link at the end of your emails, which is going to take them to the product that you're promoting, which would be, let's say, a weight loss supplement in this example. So if you're not building an email list and you're posting affiliate links on places like Facebook, Instagram, on forums, I mean, you're not really going to have too many people clicking on those links because they don't know where that link is taking them to, or they don't even know if that product is going to help them. So when you build your email list and you're emailing the people on your list on a consistent basis, they start to feel more trust with you and they feel more confident buying the product that you're promoting to them. Now, another thing that you should be doing in order to become successful with affiliate marketing is create content. So you want to create content on a consistent basis. Now, this isn't just talking about email autoresponders or emails, but you should be creating content that's going to address a problem that your target audience is having. So that content can be in the form of a blog, a Facebook post, an Instagram post, or YouTube videos. So you should be thinking about it like this. Let's say that this is your target customer. Whatever niche that you're in, they're having a problem that needs to be resolved. And maybe this is where they want to be. So they're a little bit unhappy right here, and over here is where they want to be, which is going to be happy. So you have to act as the bridge and figure out what's something that's giving them a problem and how can you provide a solution to that problem. So if somebody's struggling with weight loss, I mean, they're probably overweight and they want to be over here skinny, you know, with, I'm going to draw abs. I don't know if you guys can see that. And so you have to figure out a problem that they're having and what's going to help them get from here to over here. So you should be creating content, let's say YouTube videos where you're showing somebody some exercises that's going to help them burn fat, some healthy eating habits that's going to help them promote weight loss, and content that's similar to that. So basically, when it comes to affiliate marketing, if you're trying to become successful, you first need to build an audience. You have to create trust with your audience, and then you have to be able to sell to that audience. And that's how you start making money with affiliate marketing. Well, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and hopefully you guys learned something new. And if you guys enjoyed it, don't forget to give it a thumbs up, and let me know down in the description what you guys thought about this method. And if you guys want to learn more about affiliate marketing, I have a free ebook down in the description below called Affiliate Marketing Blueprint. And I go into more detail on how you can become successful with affiliate marketing. And if you guys are interested in my personal recommendation when it comes to making a full-time income online, then check out the first link in the top of the description. Well, that's pretty much it for this video. So with that being said, I'll catch you guys in the next one.